Amazing, yeah. Have a look.
They're going to be super awkward, so...
You can put your eye to that and then it would...
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for stopping. Thanks for stopping. Hi, excuse me. Hi, I'm a street photographer. I'm taking portraits of strangers. Do you have 2 minutes to pose for a quick photo?
Sure.
Yeah? Awesome. Okay, I'll do it right here. If you turn your body that way and then look into the lens for me. 3, 2, 1. And let's do crossed arms. Okay. Awesome. 3, 2, 1. And then just like relax a bit. Just like, so keep the arms crossed, but just there you go. 3, 2, 1. And look that way. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Hi. I'm a street photographer. I'm doing portraits of strangers. Do you have 2 minutes to get some portraits of you guys? Yes, either or. I've got I'm shooting for TikTok.
Okay, yeah,
No, if you don't want them, then that's fine.
No, I don't mind. I'm really awkward in front of the camera.
No, that's fine. I can work with that. Editing Kim here. I don't know why I sounded so intense here. I wasn't mean mugging or anything like that. I just sounded so serious. I think it's because I don't like when people feel like they're forced to take the picture. So I want to make really clear you don't have to do this. But when you cannot see my face, it definitely comes across as if I'm behind the camera saying, do you want to do it or not? When that's not the case. All right, I just wanted to make that clear. Anyway, back to the video. So right there, where that shadow is, behind that crossing, can you go there? Honestly, I'm not forcing anyone into this. Okay, just on this corner then instead. Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Cross your arms. Let's try that. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And then feet apart. And then do that. There you go. And you can smile for this last one. Amazing. Amazing, yeah. Have a look.
They're going to be super awkward, so...
You can put your eye to that and then it would...
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for stopping. Awesome, thank you.
I want to get a commercial in Vietnam soon.
Hopefully, one day.
All over Hanoi.
Yeah. I don't want to do the same thing. Okay. So, stand here for me. And... Oh, okay. We'll do a walking shot, okay? So, take like 1 step backwards in that direction. And then I want you to walk from there to there. We have 1 shot at this. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what's... No, just walk. Yeah, I'll catch it. 3, 2, 1. Sweet, awesome. Thank you, guys.
Now we have to see.
Yeah.
We have to see our advertisements in Hanoi. It's a nice photo of me.
Yeah, happy with it?
Cheers. Right. I want to be selling like something really cool.
Khaki tops.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.